What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And I want to say that Amazon is in trouble. Yes, I'm going to say this again. We have a new sheriff in town, and it's called TEMU. All right. Once again, I seen advertisements out the butt when it comes to TEMU. It's everywhere. You cannot get away from the advertisements. They are pushing it. You may want to subscribe for. I have a sickness called impatientness. So I want to go ahead and get this review over with. So for all of y'all that rub it in my face saying that, oh, I got heated seats. Well, guess what? I got heated seats also. It was 18 bucks. 18 bucks. They even have another one on there that is 15 bucks. And another one on there that's another price. It's this cheapness on there. I know y'all gonna say, oh, well, cheap ain't good all the time. Well, for me, cheap is gonna be good. We will test out the integrity of this product. So right here, I got a black one. You have the 12-volt connector right here. It says high, low, off. So right here, they got the size and everything. Of course, you know I will take a photo, snap it, whatever. It don't have a temperature on it. So we will test out the temperature ourselves with our temp gun, and we will go from there. All right. Also in the back is just some more stuff, I guess, for you to know. Other than that, let's go ahead to the garage and test this out. All right, you guys, so we have our heated seat. And we are going to put it in here. We got the buckle for the neck rest, but we're just going to leave it alone right now because I will be putting it in my car. And we need, well, you know what? Let me go ahead. All right, so the neck rest buckle is elastic, so it does stretch, and it's tight in there. These have little clips on the bottom. It's another clip here. And I know I'm in the dark, so I will look at the video. If the video don't look good, I will do it outside on my car. Now this has clips on it, and the clips, it will fit on the plastic part of my seat right here. All right. And that's about it. So, all right. And I forgot my key. I don't like the way it comes forward with the hooks, so I'm gonna take it off of the hooks. I don't need it on hooks. All right. Yeah, I like it back like that. All right. So I'm at 57 degrees right now. Let me go ahead and plug this in. Now, warning. Before I do this, I just want to let you know, it says right here, when starting the engine, please ensure that the heated cushion is turned off or unplug the power plug to prevent the cushion from being burnt. I wouldn't leave this stuff plugged in anyway while before start. I will probably leave it unplugged. Then when it's ready to start up, then I'll plug it in after it starts. Anyways, and we are going to turn it on high. All right, right here it says 66. Let me check this seat right here. All right, so on this seat it's 54 on this seat. 66, 70 right here. All right, we'll check the back right now. I'm at 60, 71. It's going from 65 to 70. We're going to check the back of this seat. Well, this seat. And I'm still at 54, you guys. Let me sit in and see if I can feel any difference. Let me turn the light on first. All right, do I feel a difference in my heated seats? I can actually feel it on my butt that I feel the heat, like a lot of heat. I just want to know if it's on my back. Oh yeah, I feel it. It works. It works, you guys. This is crazy. I got heated seats. Now who's jealous now with y'all new car owners? Now only thing I need is a heated steering wheel, and that will be it. Oh, this is amazing. All right, let's check the temperature now. All right, you guys, we are at 80 degrees. It's bouncing back and forth to 1 second. Okay, you guys, so that is the final review with this heated bucket seat, or the heated seat pad. This thing, I could still feel the heat even with the car off, so the heat still retains a little bit. I for one want to say for what I think it was $13. Even if it was $15, I think it's still worth it. You can really feel the heat. All right, you guys, so if you have any other questions, comments, concerns, please leave it in the description box. I plan on getting more of these seats, but winter time is almost over anyway. We got like another month left before the spring weather comes, so I won't be needing no more heated seats. So I might get one more. If it's still in that same price range, then I might as well just go ahead and get it. But other than that, that's it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment section, and I'll catch back up with y'all on the next video.